Breaking. And this one is big. The California Supreme Court has just permanently disbarred one of Donald Trump's most controversial attorneys, and the decision is sending shockwaves through the legal world and beyond. I'm Marcus Webb, and you are watching CarePlay Universe. Let's get into it. On Wednesday, April 15th, the California Supreme Court issued an order permanently disbarring attorney John Charles Eastman, removing him from the role of attorneys, effective immediately. Fox 11. Los Angeles. So who is John Eastman, and why does this matter? Let me break it down simply. Eastman is considered one of the principal architects of the plan to replace legitimate electors of President Joe Biden with fake ones supporting Trump in several key battleground states, including Georgia. UPY, he was also the man behind the controversial theory that then Vice President Mike Pence had the authority to delay or reject the certification of the 2020 election results on January 6, 2021. Now here's where it gets serious. The State Bar Court found Eastman culpable on 10 out of 11 disciplinary charges for what they described as egregious and deceitful conduct. CA, that's not a close call. That's a near-complete verdict. In 2024, California State Bar Judge Yvette Rowland found that Eastman made multiple patently false and misleading statements in court filings and in public remarks regarding the 2020 presidential election and Vice President Pence's authority, all while relying on his credentials as an attorney and constitutional scholar to lend credibility to what she called his unfounded claims. UPI. And this wasn't fast. The hearing began in State Bar Court in June 2023, included more than 35 trial days, 23 witnesses, and more than 700 exhibits. CA. This was a thorough, exhaustive process, not a quick political decision. Here's what I want you to think about. Should an attorney face disbarment simply for representing a controversial client? Or does this ruling cross a line? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. As reported by the Los Angeles Times, CBS Los Angeles, CNN, UPI, and confirmed directly by the State Bar of California, this ruling is final. State Bar Chief Trial Counsel George Cardona stated that the ruling reinforces the duty of attorneys to maintain honesty and uphold the rule of law, regardless of their client's stature. Fox 11, Los Angeles. As part of the order, Eastman's name has been stricken from the roll of attorneys, and he is required to pay $5,000 in statutory sanctions plus the State Bar's costs. Fox 11, Los Angeles. It's worth noting, not everyone agrees with this decision. Jeffrey Clark, a lawyer who also faces disbarment in Washington, called the ruling a travesty, arguing that Eastman simply represented a president in election litigation and did nothing wrong. UPI? While the California disbarment is final, it remains unclear how this will affect Eastman's legal standing in other jurisdictions. He remains under suspension in Washington, D.C., where separate disciplinary proceedings are still ongoing. And here's the broader question. Does this ruling protect democracy, or does it set a dangerous precedent for legal advocacy in America? I want to know where you stand. Before I get to the close, I want to take a moment to share something close to my heart. CarePlay Universe is connected to CarePath Family Initiative, a nonprofit right here in Greater Boston providing wraparound support to youth and families. We're talking mentoring, family case management, workforce development, young parent support, and autism services for individuals ages 5 to 23. Real programs, real people, real impact. If you believe every family deserves access to the support they need to thrive, please consider donating at carepathinet.org. Every dollar helps us show up for communities that need it most. We are just getting started, and your support means everything. If this story got you thinking, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to CarePlay Universe so you never miss a breakdown like this one. And most importantly, drop a comment. I read every single one. This conversation matters. Remember, stay informed, stay engaged, and remember, the rule of law works best when all of us are paying attention. See you on the next one.